What's up, everybody? I am right here. So, after raining for 2 days straight, this is the water. Oh, the yard is completely saturated. This is the front yard. This is our little pond now. It's all water. I guess you guys can't probably see it that well. Yeah, it's water. And then I'll show you guys the side that I was pumping the water out onto. Which now the rain has stopped. Hopefully the water will go back into the ground or something. But this yard is a nightmare. You guys can't even see it. It's so bad. I wish there was some way to show you guys. It's all water. This whole thing is water. It's pretty deep too. I wish I had another. Oh, I do. I don't know how to do this. There's a lake, you guys. And we're gonna have to pump more tomorrow. I can't even get through right here. There's a fish. Yep. So, hopefully the water is going to go down. We'll have a yard again. Place for Kyrie to play. She sure won't be going outside tomorrow. Alright guys, I'll see you later.